Crazy Penguin teaches you Linux. NickSnoob.com.
Welcome to Nick Snoob. In this video, we're going to vibe code an Android app. And I have a weird idea that may or may not work well as an example video, but we'll see. Basically, the idea we're going to create is just called Party Lights. And it's an app where it just listens to music and will randomly, well, not randomly, but based on the intensity of the music, the screen will get brighter or darker and change color based on the frequency of the music. So like, you know, what key it's in, etc. And just slowly change while you're listening to music. And the idea is that if you had 20 people in a room and they all had it on their phone, that all their phones would be doing the exact same thing with the music. So we'll see if we can make this. So vibe coding, this isn't going to be a video on how to get everything set up. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments and I can show you how to install Android Studio and get that set up, or how to install Cursor and get that set up. But that's what we're going to be using today. We're going to be using Android Studio and Cursor. So the first thing is we just need to go open Android Studio. And then I'm just going to say empty activity and say next. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call this Party Lights. And that's basically it. And so that's almost done creating that project. I also don't know if this is going to work very well. Like when I open the emulator and stuff, I'm just on a laptop, so I don't know how well it's going to record video when it's doing all that kind of stuff in the background. I should put my laptop in like power mode here. All right, so that's still importing the Gradle project. It takes it a little while. If you've done any Android development, you'll be familiar with Android Studio and how long it takes to set up a new project. All right, that is done. So now I'm going to go open Cursor. And I'm going to go to that project. And Cursor kind of keeps a context, or when you open a folder, it kind of creates a new context for that folder. You can still create multiple contexts within that folder. But when you say open folder, oh my God, that's bright. I'm in a different, let me just make this smaller. I'm not in my normal recording. Like I'm not logged in as my NickSnoob user on my computer. Okay, so let's go to, we call that Party Lights. Okay, so open that project. And then we are going to go into plan mode, and we're just going to say plan. We can just say create. Create a dynamic audio visualizer where the volume controls the brightness and the frequency / pitch controls the color. The whole screen should shift colors and intensity based on the music. The animation should be as smooth as possible. And this should be a native Android application. And we'll just let it create a plan. We'll let this run. And right now I'm using Opus 4.5. That's a paid model. When you install Cursor, there's a free model that does a pretty good job. Actually, I think I'm thinking of Open Code. Open Code comes with Big Pickle for free, which does a pretty good job on this stuff. So that's another way you could do this is Open Code, which is a terminal application. Okay, so it's asking me some questions. What audio source should the visualizer react to? Microphone capture. So yes, A. We wanted to respond, like use the microphone and respond to the music in the room so that if 20 people at a party all had the app installed, all their phones are going to react the exact same way. Okay, so so now it's planning out, and I can zoom in maybe. Again, I'm not on my normal profile. Yeah, here we go. So I drew out an architecture overview where you've got the microphone and then audio record analysis and the frequency and volume, and that's changing the hue and the brightness, which is exactly what we told it to do. And then that's going to a full screen canvas. So that's exactly what I want. And then so it tells us the key components, visualize our screen. Permissions handling, it's going to have to add a record audio permission to the Android manifest. Add main activity updates, immersive full screen mode, hides system bars, and compose lifecycle where audio analyzer start stop. So this is looking pretty good as far as the plan. And it's done with that plan. I want to write in... I'm going to go to agent and say write an agent it's agent or agents. I think it's agent.md markdown file from the plan. And so agents or agent markdown file, just all of your AI agents can read that file and use it. So if I wanted to go with another AI tool, that would give it a head start in understanding the project. So it's creating the agents.md file. And this is also going to have a lot of the plan in it as far as how it's going to build the application. So it's created an MD. I'm going to go ahead and open that and show you what that looks like. So this is our Android Studio projects, and this is Party Lights. And here is our agents.md file that it created. And I should really go into dark mode. Let me just put my system in dark mode. Otherwise, that's going to be annoying. All right, sorry, that took a second. I will probably cut that out of here. But anyway, here is what that looks like. And I can zoom into this a little bit. Or actually, can I just make that text bigger? Yeah, that works. And we can get rid of this. All right, so Party Light Audio Visualizer, a dynamic full screen audio visualizer for Android that reacts to music in real time, project overview. So I'm not going to read through all this. I'm just going to kind of scroll through it real quick. But so it's got the audio pipeline, it's got the it's got the key components. So we could look at this and see if there's anything that it's using where we think it could use something else, and we could update this file. Use audio record with 44 hertz sample rate, channel and mono. That's all fine. Kotlin, the hue mapping. So these are the hues it's going to use. And so we could change this, but 20 to 250 hertz is going to, be red to orange, and then green to like a light blue, and then a light blue to a purple. Amplitude brightness, quiet, 0.1. I might change that for... So I just hold it to build the app. So right now it is actually building our Android application. So like vibe coding, it's that simple. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do to improve the quality of your vibe coding as far as the plan mode and stuff. But basically, create a plan, look it over. In the plan phase too, you can ask questions like, what's the best thing, best way to visualize, to draw visualizations like, in 60 frames a second or higher on Android and stuff like that, and it'll help you plan you know what libraries to use and stuff like that. So now it's updating the main activity and wiring everything together. So it's done. It marked the final. It marked the final review is completed. So now I could run this to actually build and assemble the APK from Gradle, just from the command line. I could do that. I'm going to go ahead in Android and just re-import this project. So this just syncs everything with our Gradle files. So I think that's synced up. Let's hit that again, make sure it's synced everything up. Yep, okay. So now I'm just going to run that on a emulator and see if it runs. I don't know if the audio controls and all that will work through the emulator. But if not, I'll just plug in my phone and build it to my phone and then hold it up to the camera. Okay, so the emulator's loaded. It should launch the application we just built on the emulator now. Okay, and so it's telling me that it's going to view full screen, that I need to swipe from the top, to exit swipe down from the top. Okay, got it. And then I need to grant permission to the microphone. And I'm going to only allow it while using the app. Okay, and now I don't know if we have recording, if this is actually able to record the microphone or not. Let me see if there's anything here as far as my sound recording goes. Applications, is Android trying to use that? I cannot tell. Okay, so this is a bad. Can I add microphone, enable host microphone access? There we go. Okay. Hello. Ah, there we go. Okay, so now you can see. Woo! Woo! Haha. Okay, so we made a party light Android app. Just that easy. It is changing colors as I am talking, which with music should be pretty fun. And we just vibe coded that thing in way longer than it should have taken, thanks to Icon causing problems. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about vibe coding or Cursor, Android Studio, feel free to ask me in the comments, and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.